Go over practice. Okay, we are go over practice. It's not practice. It's discussion quiz 1A, problem 2 now. It asks you to draw all the resonance. Okay, so resonance. Yeah, it's just for convenient. When I post a video later, I know what to put. Yeah.
Professor, maybe you miss a double bond.
Oh, I missed a double bond. Where is it? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So what I have, the question based on this, do I have specific ones?
It's like I only draw maybe two, but I didn't like find all resonance structure.
If it's finding all, it's not something you will need to worry after quiz 1, because in quiz 1, we'll ask you to draw all the resonance. As if we don't ask you to draw all, you'll think there are only one. Okay? But if it's something that you're worried about, did I miss anything? In midterm, we will ask very specific one, which one we want you to draw.
Okay.
But other than that, do people still have problem with this, or you want me to go over how to draw resonance? How about you? Yeah.
That one had like 3 different charges on some of them, like a positive and negative and a negative.
Okay, which one you have problem with?
It's that one. It's that one.
Okay, it's this one. Okay, which?
So it was just like weird because I've never seen anything with 3 charges.
Yes.
You know, and like I only drew one other structure that was like the major.
Okay,
one.
let's draw this one. So show me which one we are talking about. But are we good
Yeah,
with?
No, it's that one. It's that one.
Are we good with there's a lone pair, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And a lone pair here. So that's always the step 1. So which one you're talking about with 3 charges? I guess it's that one was still here.
Well, like the first one, you can just like move the double bond onto oxygen.
Oh, okay. So this is the one that you're talking about, right? So this green bond, that's the one you're talking about?
Yes, but then you move the lone pair to the carbon.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm running out of the space then. Okay. So you have problem with this one, I guess. Okay.
Yeah, that was fine. The other structures that were written were just weird.
I guess people are good with this one.
Yes, I draw this major.
Okay, so we can also have this green pen is about to do that. Yes. Okay. You can push here and push it back. It's
Oh yeah.
yeah, right?
Yes.
I guess that's one of the isn't that one of the one,
Yeah.
right? And then missing a positive here, right? That's one of is that the one that people are referred to? There are 3 charges.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, is that possible? Like, from the first left structure, you just like move the double bond like left, and then push the double bond to the.
Okay, let's draw the one that you think. Okay, I'll change the color though. Okay, so what do you want?
It's like move the double bond.
Here.
Well, it's like, like opposite. It's like I move the double bond from the oxygen to the left and push that.
Can you draw what you draw?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
I'm not sure whether it is okay. Like, it's like I draw this and this. I'm not sure it's like correct or not.
Okay, let's do this one. Okay. Okay, so she was proposing. She was proposing you draw a double bond here, right?
Yeah.
But what's wrong with here is your oxygen. Okay. Your oxygen will be in a place that's Okay, if it's leaving, your oxygen should be more positive, right?
Yeah.
But think about when oxygen is positive, refer to my chart. They should have 3 bonds, but you only have 1 in this case, right? So about my chart, that's when oxygen is happening. So if you're doing this way, so that's why what I said, it's kind of like theoretically your oxygen is losing electrons, so you should make it more positive. But compared with the structure on my chart, it's not really making that positive. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay, so that's not. Okay. Are you here for specific questions or not?
Yeah, but are you gonna answer it right now?
After I draw this one, okay? Okay, I'll just quickly draw this one because I think we have something new. You good with this one? Yeah,
Is it okay to have the 2 negative charges and only 1 positive charge?
it's okay. It's just not going to be the major one, as long as you don't consider it as major. Are people good with this so far?
Quick question.
Yeah.
Would that be the same structure as the one over there?
It is, but I'm just showing 2 different ways of doing this.
Okay.
Okay. Are you all good with this?
It's like so. I mean, when consider like resonance, it is like possible also to consider like the chart that you in your lecture note before is like consider like the number of bond to oxygen.
So let me shortcut this way. The chart in my notes too is there to simplify your counting, because in reality nobody counts your bonds as every time you write structure. People rely on sense, on is this oxygen looks right or not, and that's the one I was keep asking. You should form a sense, because later when you go to 118b, nobody counts how many electrons that have. It's not possible with that many structures writing in one flashcard, and you need to have this sense. That's why that chart is my sense, and I hope everyone just it's the same thing as, okay, you can start counting. It meets the octet rules, or I think only the tertiary one doesn't. Okay, the tertiary carbon doesn't, because there's only 6 stats. Yeah, it meets certain rules, but finally nobody really counting. Okay, yeah. So you can start with counting. It's just like you are walking, and finally you should be running like this. Oxygen doesn't look right because it doesn't match one of the formats in my brain.
Okay.
Are we good? I guess you two